Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Zodicatthefarm. I'm not going to go through all of those introductions today. We're just going to jump right into this particular piece that I'm making today. So it's just going to be a two-piece ensemble. I've got this beautiful glass flower petal. I think it's absolutely amazing. It's got the hole there in the center. And then I've already pre-cut this piece, which is this beautiful golden flower petal. So today we're only going to just be doing the assembly. These pieces don't need to be cut, so I hope that you will stay with me because I'm going to give you my tips from A to Z on how I make these gorgeous garden glass flowers for your home or for your garden. All right, so I'm going to bring the camera down now so you can see how I do the assembly. With regards to all of the items that you're going to need to complete this project, it'll be listed in the description box below. All right, so hold on a second while I bring this camera down. Got all the items here that I'm going to be using here today. I'm even going to go ahead and show you what this looks like mounted outside. So there are the items, but as I said, I'm not going to go through them. Oops, they'll be listed in the description box below. Don't forget to wear your safety glasses or goggles preferably, and your protective eyewear when working with the glass. Okay, so I've already cleaned everything off, but I think I'm just going to give this one more quick rinse here just to make sure that everything is nice and sparkly. Okay, and then go ahead and wipe this one down as well. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my petal over on its back. Take my gloves off for just a second. And I've got my metal flower that I always use. And I've got my toggle bolts. I'm going to stick that straight through just like that. Then I'm going to take a washer. And I'm going to take that washer and put it through just like that. Okay. And I'm going to stick it through the flower just like that. And I'm going to take another washer. I'm going to put that washer just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take my toggle. Okay, this is 3/16 by 3/8. And I'm going to grab the back. And then go ahead and get that toggle started just like that. Okay, until I get it down to a pretty good amount of ways down. Not all the way down because you want the orb to fit in. All right, then I'm going to take this gorgeous hand-blown flower orb and just going to take it and press it through that opening so that it clicks in on both sides, which it has. And then I'm just going to very carefully, because this doesn't, this particular flower petal doesn't go as flush as most of my flowers do. So I'm going to carefully turn this on its side, and I'm going to grab my Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm going to carefully begin to tighten. Tightening in spurts. Okay, I'm feeling it tighten a little bit more. Okay, then I'm going to follow up with my standard Phillips head. Go ahead and just tighten that just a little bit. Okay. Just one a little bit more. Okay, let me move this all out of the way. All right. let me show you the finished product here. Okay, this is absolutely stunning. Okay, so this is just a 2-piece ensemble, okay, and there is dimension to this. We turn it to the side so you can see the dimension on how this petal actually is physically away from the actual flower itself, which gives it quite a bit of dimension. I think that the beautiful yellow glass stem in the middle, as well as the blues, really bring out the yellow in this particular flower. Okay, let me turn it to the rear. Okay, so there's my flower hook that I always use. There it is from the side again. And then there it is from the front. I think that absolutely looks stunning. I hope you all would agree. All right, so let me show you what this looks like now on a stand, and then I'm gonna mount it for you outside. So hold on and let me get my stand so I can show you how this appears, because you can also mount these inside. They make great focal points. But I'm going to show you the stand mount inside and also the stand mount outside. So hold on one second. Okay, so here is the mount that I'm going to use to mount this inside. So I'm simply going to take the flower and set it right here on the stand. This stand is a little bit too big, but for the purposes of the presentation, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. Doesn't that look beautiful? All of those colors. Oh my goodness, I love this flower so much. With the hues of blue and the yellows and the golds. I think that looks absolutely phenomenal. All right, let me show you now what this would look like on an outdoor stand. So hold on one second. Okay, so here's a stand that it's just a piece of PVC. I say these in all of my videos, and this is a metal chair cover, and I've drilled a hole right there in the top, and I'm just gonna take my flower and I'm just gonna push it straight in, just like that, and there we go. There it is. So there it is from the side and from the rear. There's no sway with this mounting process that I use. So I absolutely love this flower. I really like this whole centerpiece with the gold here. I just think it looks tremendous, and I love the depth of the flower. With regards to this piece, and it's very simple because it's just 2 pieces, so I only had to cut 1 piece with regards to this flower. Okay, here is the first part of mounting a glass flower in the ground. This is a piece of copper that I've mounted 36 inches down, all right, in the ground. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pole and I'm going to stick that pole right over the top, just like that. All right, then you can see the top here. All right. All right, so now I'm going to grab my flower. I'm going to push it straight down right into that hole. Okay, and there you go with the mounting of this garden glass flower outside. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. All right, so I want to thank you so much for joining me here today at Zodicatthefarm at the farm. If you have any questions, you can email me at my website at www.zodicatthefarm.com. If you're interested in purchasing any of these pieces, you can also find them at my website at www.zodicatthefarm.com. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to put your comments in the comment section below. I always love hearing your comments. All right, I hope you have a great rest of your week. and a blessed weekend, and I hope to see you next time here at Zodicatthefarm. Many blessings sent your way. Take care. Bye-bye.